All right, so since it's fall, I'm gonna be making a salted maple pecan milk with the nut maker machine. All right, so I pre-measured 60 grams of pecans. I'm just gonna throw it inside of the nut maker. I'm also gonna do 3 tablespoons of maple syrup inside of here too. I'm gonna fill this up with water and do it a little bit above the minimum and below the maximum. And then finally, I'm just gonna take a pinch of salt and throw it in here. I'm just gonna pop on the top, go down here. We're gonna go over to nut milk and it's gonna cook and it's gonna blend it. It's only gonna take 8 minutes. Just finished up, let's check it out. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna be pouring this in to the strainer. Milk bag, we're gonna strain this out. If you're curious to see, these are the pecans that was inside of the nut milk maker. It looks so good, honestly. I'm so excited to try this out. Just finished up. This is the salted maple pecan milk with a nut milk maker. This thing looks so good and so creamy. Cheers, let's try it out. Oh my gosh, this actually might be my favorite nut milk I've ever done with this nut milk maker. It is so good. It's got like that perfect element of like sweet and like nuttiness, and like you guys have to try this. This is probably the best recipe I've ever done, I think, with this. If you guys want to pick this up, it's over 50% off. And if you want, I also have other videos on my channel, but you can do everything from like almond milk to cashew milk, oat milk, rice paste. You can make milkshakes and juice and everything with this. This thing is amazing. You guys have to go check it out right now.